When you see a standard car crash, like a T-bone, like a rear end crash or something like that, what are the most common conditions that you as a doctor see from those type patients?
Well, that's a really great question, and one of the problems is a lot of times when people are injured in an auto accident, they're whether it's a rear ending or a T-bone, like what you say, they'll go to the emergency room and they will get X-rays or CTs, and the emergency room doctor says, you basically got a sprain strain. Well, what a lot of people don't realize is when you have a whiplash injury, there's actually three stages that you go through with that injury. The first stage is the inflammatory stage, and that can typically last about 72 hours. And so what happens is when somebody reports to the emergency room, things are swollen. Like if you twist your ankle, most of us have played sports or been around sports, and when you twist an ankle, immediately what that ankle does is it swells up to about the size of a softball. That same thing is
Typically.
happening to your neck and your low back. And what happens is you lose range of motion. Your body just becomes on lockdown basically. So when they're at the hospital and they're doing films on them, a lot of times they'll miss a lot of underlying things that are going on with the spine and the ligaments because the inflammatory stage is in place.